We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 8.5 by 20 foot Deckover trailer with slide out ramps. This does come with safety chains, coupler, and the jack. Here it has your spare tire mount, as well as your breakaway box. It does have D-rings and stake pockets along the side. This is a tandem axle with 5,200 pound axles, Greaseable. They do come with new steel wheels and tires. The floor is pressure treated wood flooring, and it is a Dovetail trailer. It does have the ramps that are slide out ramps, which are stored here. This trailer is fully wired with LED drive lights. And this is the 8.5 by 20 foot Deckover with slide out ramps.